Hey guys, welcome back. I am looking super pale today. I'm not really sure why. I haven't changed anything with my lighting or anything, but it's cool, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Today's video is my April 2019 Ipsy unbagging. I will have my Ipsy playlist linked down below. I have not opened this yet. I know that I did look at the spoilers online, but I don't remember everything that was in here, but I remember the bag was super cute, so I'm excited to see it in person. Alright, so opening it up, the first thing that I have outside of the bag is some sheet masks here. These are from Dr. Wong Beauty Lab, and these are vegan approved. This one is for brightening. It's a red fruits brightening mask, which looks like this. And then the next one is the plumped skin broccoli plumping mask. So that's what that one looks like. Love sheet masks, so I'm super excited about that. And then this is what the actual bag looks like. How pretty is that? Like, this is a bag, I super love it. It's got these nice lemons on it, a bright yellow zipper tag, love it. So nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. The first thing in it is the little card that they're doing, and it says, build your dream bag, get any glam bag product you want. Every month on the 2nd, starting at 6 a.m. Pacific time, you'll have a chance to add on whatever deluxe samples or full-size products you like. So mark your calendar for that, the 2nd of every month. And it looks like the theme for this month is Fresh Spring Beauty. And then of course inside it tells you all the products that you have with a little kind of description or write-up about those products. So moving on, it's this pretty like mint shade inside, and the first product that I have is from Tarte, and it's the Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. So that is what it looks like. I've never heard of this product before, but I'm super excited to try it out. I love a good primer. I'm currently using the one from Collab Beauty, and I really like it. It's the orange one. The next thing that I have in here is from the Balm, and it's the Bonjour creamy lip stain in Salute. So that is what that looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and check this out. It's a mauve type shade, it looks like. Go ahead and swatch it for you. It kind of swipes on like an oil, not a gloss, not a lipstick. Like, it's not thick, it's more oily and kind of sheer, so that's gonna be super pretty on the lips. And then the next thing that I have is, just rolled away, is from Ico, and it's the Black Magic Liquid Liner and Wide Lash. And I have a full size of these that I received from my Madison Miller giveaway that I won, and I will have that video linked down below as well. So I love a travel size of these to stick in my bag. And then the last product that they sent me two. Oh my gosh. They sent me two. I should have only got one. They sent me two. So I'm even more excited. Thanks, Ipsy. I don't know if that was intentional or not, but thank you. And then the last thing that I have is from Nomad, and it's an intense eyeshadow, and I'm not sure what shade it is. I can't get it out. The shade is in Berlin, I guess. And it's, ooh, it's pretty. It's like this jadey mint shade. It feels really soft. That's what it looks like. The camera's not really picking up the color that it actually is, but it's like a jadey mint shade. It goes on really sheer, kind of duochrome. You can kind of see it right here. It looks like it'd be a really pretty lid topper. So that's pretty cool. The last product that I received from Nomad Cosmetics was a highlighter, and it was in the same like container packaging, and I had been receiving so many highlights, and I talked about it on my Instagram page, Grenade Beauty 90, and I tagged them in it, and they responded very apologetic about it, and I said, no, don't worry, it's not your fault. Like, I love a good highlighter. I've just received one like every month for the last X number of months, and I was kind of tired of receiving highlights. I wanted to receive other products, but they were so kind about it, and I appreciate them reaching out to me and communicating with me, and that I was able to express how I was feeling about getting so many highlighters, and that it was nothing on them or their brand or their products or anything like that. So I'm very excited about all that I received. The bag is beautiful, love the products, I'm excited to try them out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will have my Ipsy link down below. It gives me points, and that's it. Go ahead and let me know what you received in your Ipsy bag if you're subscribed, and what are your thoughts on Destination Ipsy. They're not doing Gen Beauty anymore. They're kind of revamping the whole thing, and they're doing different smaller events across the United States. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I love Gen Beauty. I thought it was probably the best beauty event there is, and I'm really bummed that the closest thing to Gen Beauty is Ipsy Live this year, and it's only going to be in New York. The one in LA is going to be Creator Day, which they've had Creator Day before, and I've attended it before, but this time they're opening it up to Ipsy subscribers. So let me know your thoughts on that. You can find information by going to the Ipsy site or the Ipsy events Facebook page, but I'm excited about Creator Day. Just kind of bummed that there's no Gen Beauty. So let me know your thoughts, let me know what you received, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you